growing your YouTube garden. Yep, that's what I said. Now, look, growing a YouTube channel is a lot like tending a garden. If you've ever tried your hand at gardening, it demands patience, consistency, and genuine care. A seed doesn't sprout into a blossoming flower overnight. No, it requires you to consistently water it, shield it from harmful elements, and sometimes even talk to it. Now, replace that seed with your YouTube channel. Are you giving it the same care and attention? I was talking with a professional speaker the other day who asked, what should I do to grow my channel? The answer, not being flippant here, was give it love. Look, you can't expect to get results if you don't put in the time and effort. So in this series, we're going to talk about specifics related to growing your channel. So let's get started. And by the way, if you want to follow in this series, subscribe below. There was a time I questioned every ounce of effort I was pouring into my channel. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months, and yet I felt like I was running in place. That quiet, doubting voice in the corner of my mind kept suggesting perhaps this isn't for you. You ever felt that way? That heart-wrenching moment when you're on the brink of giving up? What's the point? Well, successful people do what unsuccessful people won't. But here's the thing. Moments of doubt are often followed by breakthroughs. Okay, I've been there, feeling stuck and stagnant. But with a pinch of persistence and a dollop of determination, things began to change. And not just for me, but for countless creators who have stories just like mine of how they nearly gave up before they were about to hit a milestone or have a video go viral. One fundamental truth I've learned in my journey is the power of clarity. You gotta get clear on what you want, setting a goal, visualizing it, and working toward it every day. And when naysayers question your ambition, let their skepticism fuel your fire. And clarity is not just about the number of subscribers, it's about the focus of your channel. As I've said this in past videos, if the focus of your channel is all over the place, well, you can't expect to find an audience. Your subscriber count? Look, it's more than a number. It's a community, an audience that resonates with your message, your passion. Beyond the numbers, there are potentially brand deals, collaborations, and endless opportunities that come knocking when you are truly invested in your channel. I'm literally just now starting to see the myriad of doors that could open up, the connections I'd make, or the recognition I'd receive. And it's surreal to realize how close I came to missing out on all of this and just giving in to doubts. So look, before we delve into practical tips and strategies in the upcoming series, embrace this foundational truth. Belief in yourself and your journey is paramount. And while you're at it, always remember, I'm here cheering you on from the sidelines because every gardener loves to see another person's plant flourish. And hey, stay tuned for the next installment and subscribe below. I promise if you stick with me, it will be worth your while.